Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and having a solution to store our shoes at the entryway is so excellent. This shoe rack is nice and compact, but it comes with 10 tiers. So that's 10 pairs of shoes that I am getting off of the floor, whether it's at the entryway or in our closets. And it's nice and sturdy. The sides are metal. The shelves are fabric. And the size is compact, but they also accommodate very large shoes. My husband wears a 13 wide, and his shoes fit so nicely on this shoe rack. It was very easy to assemble, and I liked that I had the option to put all 10 tiers together or split it up. I love the function and also the nice look of this shoe rack. It helps keep us organized right at our entryway, and it also looks really nice with our furniture. It's very neutral looking and blends in so nicely. And that's my point of view.